Hey guys, so this is Kurt again, Director of Business Development here on BigLinker, and today we're going to have a LinkedIn profile review. We're going to review Neil Patel's LinkedIn profile. Neil Patel is one of the biggest name and he's an icon here on digital marketing. So by simply reviewing his LinkedIn profile, you're going to learn a lot. So I'm going to point out things or details that you may not notice because for you it may be just a simple detail, but simple details are the best things and most important in marketing. So without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that pops out on his LinkedIn profile is his cover photo. It's orange, it's unique, it pops out right away, no effort at all. And not just the theme, he didn't just choose a great color here. He also took advantage of this cover photo section to discuss his services, SEO, content marketing, social media, and other digital marketing things that you might need for your business. So that's a great thinking on how to market your services. Now let's move forward. The next thing is his headline. So in his headline, as you can see, he uses hashtag that is also great for SEO, so that when you search for something, his LinkedIn profile may pop up on Google by just simply searching digital marketing or entrepreneurship. So again, he uses this section to discuss things that he can help you with SEO marketing, digital marketing, which is a great way for people to find out what you are offering, how you can help them and put it here his company Neil Patel Digital and the school where he graduated. And let's check this contact info. So here on the contact info, I think he kind of lacks of information here. So he discussed his services, what he can offer, how he can help your business, but now you don't know how to reach him. You don't know how to contact his team. Yeah, I understand it. Like Neil Patel is a millionaire. You probably don't want to be bothered by everybody asking him questions on social media, but you can at least put here your company's email address so that your team knows that people are looking for you or wants to open your services. Like info at Neil Patel or something like that, just to reach you out. So I think that way he kind of lacks. And he also didn't put like a lot of links here, like a link for his YouTube, a link for his Instagram, or a link for his, other social media things that you can check out his stuff. So again, kind of lacks of information here in contact information. So let's move on. And here on the feature, this is one of the things that I really like about Neil Patel. So he is very consistent in posting, and his posts are not just regular posts. It's like a marketing post. It's like very valuable. A lot of things that you can get from just posting that comes from Neil Patel. And as you can see, he's very consistent. He just posted 30 minutes ago, a day, 2 days. And if you check all of his activity, he's posting every day, if not twice or three times a day. So with that effort, Neil Patel is really outstanding. He's really great in terms of being consistent. So, and if you check this featured post, all of his things, check it out, read it, his articles. These are great if you're a newbie. You're gonna learn a lot of things from this article. So read this featured section, and let's move on. On his about section, so yeah, I'm a New York Times best-selling author, and he talks about his achievements, marketing blogs. So I guess in this kind of approach, I get it. Like the about section is about telling about yourself, but since LinkedIn is about business, I do suggest that if you create an about section, talk a little bit about yourself, of course, but use this section since you can put a lot of words here to talk about your business goals or the achievements that your business got, not just yourself. So that's a way of promoting your business, your team, not just yourself, because LinkedIn is not about you, it's about your business. So talk about your business and services here on the About section. And here on experience, so I guess Neil Patel didn't, like he's not like Gary Vaynerchuk who has a lot of businesses, a lot of brands. I think he's focusing on this business, Neil Patel Digital, where he offers digital marketing services. So He doesn't have a lot of experience in other things. He focuses in his something that he mastered, digital marketing. And here on the skills, there's a lot of skills here. And again, it's everything about digital marketing since he's a digital marketer. So we don't have the time to check all the 50 skills that he has, but believe it or not, I've been following him for 3 years now. I've checked all his social media pages. It notifies me whenever there's something new since I really follow this guy. I like this guy, and yeah, he's just the expert in terms of everything about digital marketing and recommendations and interest. I guess the only thing lacking here on his LinkedIn account or LinkedIn profile is the publish section or publication sections. So on his about section, he mentioned that he's a New York Times best-selling author, but he didn't put any of his books or you know articles or whatever things that he wrote that has been awarded by New York Times, which would be great to advertise here on your LinkedIn profile or put it here so that people could know what book are you talking about that you've been awarded as the best-selling author. So I think you could take advantage of that since LinkedIn has it, and he didn't. But still, Neil Patel is active on every social media. Kudos to him. He's very consistent with everything, posting on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Follow this guy. You're gonna learn a lot of things from him. So those are the great things that he has on his LinkedIn profile. I only found a few things that I think he needs to improve, like his about section and adding the publication section here on his LinkedIn profile. I think if he's listening to my or if he's watching this video, I hope you learned a thing from me, Neil. And if you want to reach out to me. So and again, this is Kurt. I'm the digital marketer and director of business development here on BigLinker. Please visit our website, BigLinker, if you want to learn more on um, how to get more clients, how to market yourself on LinkedIn, how to get more meetings. Reach out to us, visit our website. You can send us a chat. You can also book a meeting with us, and we're going to definitely help you out on whatever you need in terms of digital marketing and improving your experience on LinkedIn. Just let us know. And uh, yeah, if you want to learn how we get these meetings from LinkedIn, so this is my calendar. This is not something Photoshop. So you can see we have a lot of meetings. All the blue ones are mine, and my colleague has the purple, and one of my our COO has the green one. So we all have a lot of meetings every day. If you want to get this kind of consistency of meetings, getting more clients, booking, having sales, reach out to me, visit BigLinker, and we're gonna definitely help you out. So again, this is Kurt, and I hope to see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.